Topic video.
For sports news, people can find such award that got to unite this title.
Bigayin ko.
Supported by Biko and Leia.
Patugtugin mo. Patugtugin mo. Yay!
President Arroyo congratulates Manny Pacquiao for winning the WBC lightweight title, describing the fight at the Mandalay Bay Resort and Casino on Saturday in Las Vegas as a masterpiece. What a masterpiece, Mrs. Arroyo said in a statement sent by Press Secretary Jesus Dureza from San Francisco, California. Pacquiao, who knocked out Mexican-American David Diaz to win his fourth title, has proven anew to the world the ability and strength of Filipinos in the boxing arena, Mrs. Arroyo said. Manny once again showed the sterling quality of excellence of a Filipino at his best. She said after watching the fight on TV while awaiting her flight back to Manila, the president said the whole country is rejoicing over the Filipino icon's new feat. The president just wrapped up a week-long official visit to the U.S. Mrs. Arroyo is expected to arrive in Manila early in Monday. Aside from uniting Filipinos across the globe, Deputy Presidential Spokesman Anthony Goles said Pacquiao's win has also brought hope and pride to the country. While it's still reeling from the devastation brought by Typhoon Frank, with our country experiencing those times brought about by the recent disaster, Manny has given the country hope and pride once again by reminding us that we can be triumphant over any adversary we are facing. Prior to the fight, Pacquiao said his match with Diaz was for the victims of Typhoon Frank.
Papatugtugin niya pag pumasok si Pat.
Said Pacquiao will donate a large chunk of
Hindi
his
pag si
prize
Pat na
to the
pupunta,
Typhoon
papatugtugin.
victims.
Ha?
Back to you, Juban.
Ayun, papatugtugin ko na ito, di ba?
Back to you.
Papatugtugin ko.
Ay,
On the phone.
We have Mr. WBC lightweight champion Manny Pacquiao on the phone.
Yo.
Manny
Hello.
Copy.
Hello, Rosie. Copy.
Copy. Manny, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How are you feeling now after winning the WBC lightweight title?
I feel so proud of myself because of sorry, I'm nervous. I'm very proud of myself because I know that I'm the only Asian that got this prize 3 awards, 4 awards at the same time. Okay.
What can you say about the fight with David Diaz?
Oh, it's very easy. No, just kidding. He's a tough opponent. I can't believe that he reached that round. I'm putting all my powers on him.
What message can you say to the Filipinos?
To our fellow Filipinos, I dedicate this match to you all. I hope you feel proud of me.